decorations. And yes, I'm making a decorations. Like I need this one. It's like with a candle with a calendar. So I have this one. So it's the first week, second week, third week, and then for the Christmas. So for the last week of December. So ang plan ko is I have this one, and ilalagay ko siya dito without this box, and then some decoration. I need this one, a Christmas tree, and I need also some glue. So yes, I don't know how it will gonna be, but I will try it and I will show you later. So this is my advent calendar. So yeah, this is my advent calendar na ginawa ko, customized by Jeshie Urs. So we'll see. Ito na po siya. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Yan. Okay naman, diba? Ang cute. Tingnan natin sa likod. Yan po. May nakasulat po sa likod, which is Huga. Huga means it's like a cozy time or like free time to relax, something. Yes, so here to give love, believe in sparkle, to be joyful, sing carols, have a Huga feel of Christmas, Huga care, mindful and rest. This is one. And the Danish concept of creating warm connection and well-being. Yeah, so ilalight ko siya start and December 1. So this one mapifinish siya ng 1 month. 1 week. Yes, so ilalagay ko siya dito. So medyo makalat pa siya kasi nagde-decorate pa ako. So yes. And very soon, marami pa kasi akong kulang pero lalagyan ko lang siya ng mga bololoy dyan or something na anek-anek, yeah. So yes! And this is my Advent gift from my friend, and this is my handmade Yule candle. Yes. Thank you guys and enjoy. So excited for this. Let's try.